Namaskar. Hello everyone. Welcome to Glowing Stars Bharat. Myself Abhishek and today we gonna start a chapter Atomic Structure. This is an important chapter of class 11th. Dear student, in this video we know about subatomic particles, Thomson's atomic model, Rutherford atomic model and representation of atom. And also know about बोर्स मॉडल। सर्वप्रथम अगर आपने हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो प्लीज हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दे तथा बेल आइकन को भी प्रेस कर दे ताकि लेटेस्ट वीडियो आपको सबसे पहले मिल सके। स्टूडेंट, आज हम एटॉमिक स्ट्रक्चर के लेक्चर 1 में सर्वप्रथम सब एटॉमिक पार्टिकल के बारे में बात करेंगे। जैसा कि आप जानते हैं कि पुराने समय में ही भारत के ऋषि महर्षियों ने हमें बताया था कि हम सभी 5 तत्वों से बने हैं, जिसे पंचतत्व कहा गया। इसके बाद जो सबसे पहला रिकॉग्नाइज्ड मॉडल आया था वो 1808 में जॉन डाल्टन का एटॉमिक थ्योरी। इस थ्योरी को आपने पिछले कक्षाओं में जरूर पढ़ा होगा। डाल्टन ने ही सर्वप्रथम हमें बताया था कि द स्मॉलेस्ट फंडामेंटल पार्टिकल इन दिस यूनिवर्स इज एटम। जैसा कि आपको पता होगा कि यह बात सत्य नहीं है, क्योंकि एटम्स के अंदर भी पार्टिकल्स हैं जिसे जो इलेक्ट्रॉन, प्रोटॉन, न्यूट्रॉन हैं। जॉन डाल्टन का उस समय का यह बात बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण था और उनका यह थ्योरी लगभग 100 वर्षों तक चलता रहा। बाद में जब डाल्टन का थ्योरी जब ब्रेक हुआ तब नया थ्योरी आया, डिस्कवरी ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन। अर्थात जॉन डाल्टन का एटम तब जाके ब्रेक हुआ जब डिस्कवरी ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन हुआ। डियर स्टूडेंट, डिस्कवरी ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन का क्रेडिट वैसे तो जे थॉमसन को जाता है। डिस्कवरी ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन। डियर स्टूडेंट, सी द फिगर। टू स्टडी द फेनोमेनन ऑफ डिस्चार्ज थ्रू rarefield gases, a discharge tube with disc-shaped aluminum electrode is used and a steady high potential is maintained. At atmospheric pressure, no discharge is observed. If the pressure is reduced to about 10 to the power minus 6 atmosphere, the emission of light by air disappears but a fluorescent glow appears. The systematic study of this glow by Thomson's Millikan, Crookes and others proved that its presence is due to a stream of rapidly moving negatively charged particles called the cathode ray. Dear students, some of the characteristics exhibited by the cathode ray are given. First is cathode ray travel in straight line pathway from the cathode and cast shadow the metallic object placed in their path. Second characteristic, cathode ray can penetrate through thin layer of matter and they produce fluorescence when they strike the glass wall of the discharge tube. And next characteristic, cathode ray cause mechanical motion of a small pin wheel placed in their path. Thus, they possess kinetic energy and must be material particles. Next characteristic, cathode ray are deflected by electric and magnetic field both. Cathode ray produce X-ray when they strike a metallic target, and cathode ray can produce chemical changes and thus affect photographic plate. And last characteristic, the nature of the cathode ray is independent of the nature of the cathode ray and the gas of discharge tube. Charge on cathode ray particles. The student, by oil drop experiment, the charge on cathode ray particles was determined to be minus 1.602 into 10 to the power minus 90 coulomb or minus 4.803 into 10 to the power 10 ESU. Since an electron has the smallest charge, it was thus termed as unit negative charge. And the student, mass of cathode ray particles. The mass of cathode ray particles can thus be derived by m equal to E by m, means value is 9.108 into 10 to the power minus 31 kg. means mass of cathode ray particles is equal to 9.108 into 10 to the power minus 31 kg. Dear student, next is discovery of proton, means positive rays. Dear student, in 1886, Eugen Goldstein used a discharge tube with a hole of cathode. He observed that while cathode ray were streaming away from the cathode, there were colored rays produced simultaneously, which passed through the preferred cathode ray and caused a glow on the wall opposite to the anode. Thomson observed that these rays consist of positively charged particles and named them as positive ray. These rays are also known as canal ray or anode ray. The students, some of the characteristics exhibited by positive ray are as given. These rays travel in straight lines and cast a shadow of the object placed in their path. They possess mass many times the mass of an electron. Like cathode ray, these rays also rotate the wheel placed in their path. Thus, these also possess kinetic energy. The rays produce flashes of light on zinc sulfide screen. And last, the rays are deflected by electric and magnetic field in a direction opposite to the cathode ray. In this student, the specific charge E by m of positive rays particles was found to vary with nature of gas and was maximum of H2 is used. Positive rays particles were thus called positively charged gaseous atom left after the removal of electron. Thus, a subatomic particle, that is a fundamental, consists of all matter having a mass 1.673 into 10 to the power minus 27 kg and charge plus 1.602 into 10 to the power minus 90 coulomb was called a proton. And next is the student discovery of neutrons. Chadwick 1932 bombarded a beryllium or boron sheet with a high speed alpha particles and noticed the emission of natural particles, neutrons of mass nearly equal to protons and with no charge. Neutron is therefore having a mass 1.675 into 10 to the power minus 27 kg and no net charge.
डियर स्टूडेंट, जैसा कि आप चार्ट में देख रहे होंगे प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ फंडामेंटल पार्टिकल्स का पूरा दिया हुआ है प्रॉपर्टीज. आप इसे देख के वीडियो को पॉज करके अच्छे से आप इसको नोट्स बुक में भी उतार सकते हैं. ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. पूरे इलेक्ट्रॉन प्रोटॉन को आप न्यूट्रॉन को तीनों में डिफरेंस भी आप आसानी से इस जो भी ये टेबल के माध्यम से लिख सकते हैं. इसमें सारा कुछ है, मास, चार्ज, सिंबल, डिस्कवर, लोकेशन, कहाँ पाया जाता है, सारा कुछ दिया हुआ है. आप इसे जरूर अपने कॉपी में उतार लें.
Thomson atomic model. J.J. Thomson, who discovered electron, proposed a model in 1898 according to which an atom consists of a uniform sphere of positive charge with electrons embedded in such a way so as to give most stable electrostatic arrangement. That is, he visualized atom as a pudding or cake of positive charge with electrons embedded into it. This is model often called raisin pudding model. Raisin means electron, or plum pudding or watermelon model. This model of atom could account for the electrical naturally of atom, but it could not explain the result of gold foil scattering experiment of Rutherford. Next, Rutherford atomic model. डे स्टूडेंट, पहले भी आप रदरफोर्ड में अल्फा पार्टिकल का स्कैटरिंग देखे होंगे. आइए हम क्लास 11th में भी रदरफोर्ड एटॉमिक मॉडल देखते हैं. रदरफोर्ड along with Marsden gave the model which was based upon the famous alpha particle scattering experiment. In this experiment, Rutherford bombarded the gold foil with high energy positively charged helium ions. The gold foil had a circular fluorescent zinc sulfide screen around it. Whenever an alpha particle struck the screen, a teeny flash of light was produced at the point. Rutherford knew the alpha particles had enough energy to pass directly through such atom having distribution mass spread over the entire atom, and expected the particles to slow down and change direction only by a small angle as they passed through the foil. The result of such an experiment were, however, quite unexpected, as he observed that most of the alpha particles passed through undeflected. Second, a small fraction of alpha particles were deflected by small angles. Third, a very few alpha particles bounced back, that is, were deflected by nearly 180 degree. The student, on the basis of observation, Rutherford concluded that atom consists of a heavy and positively charged particle and its center called the nucleus. The entire mass of an atom resides in the nucleus and the equal to the sum of masses of protons and neutrons, since the mass of electron is negligible. The volume occupied by the nucleus is very less as compared to the total volume of atom. The atom consists of a low empty space around nucleus. Electrons revolve around the nucleus in closed orbits like planets around the sun, and almost all the space around nucleus is occupied by revolving electrons. तो डियर फ्रेंड्स, ये था रदरफोर्ड का अल्फा पार्टिकल स्कैटरिंग मॉडल. जो स्टूडेंट, ये ड्रॉबैक है रदरफोर्ड मॉडल का, आप इसको भी एक बार देख सकते हैं. नेक्स्ट है हमारा रिप्रेजेंटेशन ऑफ एटम. डियर स्टूडेंट, एन एटम इज जनरली रिप्रेजेंटेड बाय द फॉलोइंग सिंबल. इन दिस सिंबल, Z रिप्रेजेंट द एटॉमिक नंबर, which is generally equal to the number of protons, or represent mass number. It is the sum of number of protons and number of neutrons is an atom. Means mass number is equal to number of protons plus number of neutron. In case of neutral atom, number of protons and number of electrons are equal. Next topic is leading to the Bose model of atom. The student, nature of electromagnetic radiation and spectrum play an important role in the development of Bose model. Wave nature of electromagnetic radiations, light, X-rays and Y-rays are examples of radiant energy. Indeed, radiation is a mode of transference of energy of different forms. Clerk Maxwell in 1856 showed the radiant energy has wave properties and called them electromagnetic waves or electromagnetic radiation. All these radiations travel with the speed of light and do not require any medium for their propagation of transmission. Dear students, see the figure 3.6, electric and magnetic field associated with an electromagnetic wave. Next is a wave is a periodic disturbance in a space or in a medium that involve elastic displacement of material particles or a periodic change in some physical quantities such as temperature, pressure, electric potential and electromagnetic field. Thus, wave motion represents propagation of a periodic distribution carrying energy. Dear students, see the figure of light wave. Next important is characteristic of wave. First, wavelength. Wavelength क्या होता है friends? It is defined as the distance between two successive crest or thrust of a wave, that is distance between successive point of equal phase. It is denoted by the Greek letter lambda. It is expressed in centimeter or a angstrom unit. 1 angstrom equal to 10 to the power minus 8 centimeter या 10 to the equal to minus 10 inverse 10 meter. 1 nanometer equal to 10 to the power minus 9 meter. Next characteristic of wave, frequency. The frequency is the number of waves which pass through a given point in 1 second, or it is the number of cycle or oscillations or vibration of a wave motion in unit time. It is denoted by letter nu and expressed in hertz or cycle per second CPS. Frequency is equal to velocity by wavelength. Next is velocity. It is defined as the distance covered in 1 second by the waves. It is denoted by the letter C. All the electromagnetic waves travel with the same velocity, that is 3 into 10 to the power 10 cm per second. Next characteristic, wave number. Another quantity used to characterize radiation is the wave number. This is inverse of the wavelength and is given by a symbol nu bar equal to 1 by lambda. The wave number of wavelength per unit of length covered. Its unit is centimeter inverse or meter inverse. Next characteristic, amplitude. It is defined as the height of the crest of depth of the trough of a wave. It is denoted by a letter small a. It determines the intensity of a radiation. Next is time period. Time taken by the wave for one complete cycle or vibration is called time period. It is denoted by T. It is expressed in second per cycle. Electromagnetic radiation are of various types depending upon their wavelength or frequency. These radiation constitute of the electromagnetic spectrum and the various regions of electromagnetic radiation are identified by different names. फ्रेंड्स, यह था आज का हमारा जो
डियर स्टूडेंट, जैसा कि आप देख रहे होंगे ये थंबनेल है स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ एटम क्लास 11 केमिस्ट्री फुल चैप्टर का। हमने एक और वीडियो नीचे देख रहे होंगे आप, हमने एक और वीडियो बनाया था इस चैप्टर का, तो आप हमारे इस चैप्टर के जो भी बचे हुए टॉपिक हैं उसे इस वीडियो से पूरा कर सकते हैं। हमने इस वीडियो में बचे हुए जो भी हमारे सारा टॉपिक है उसको पूरा एक्सप्लेन किया है पूरा अच्छे तरह से, तो आप हमारे इस वीडियो को भी पूरा देखेंगे ताकि आपको पूरा स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ एटम आसानी से समझ में आ जाएगा फ्रेंड्स। और जो इसका लिंक होगा हम डिस्क्रिप्शन में दे देंगे, आप उस वीडियो को भी ज़रूर देखें ताकि आपका पूरा एटॉमिक स्ट्रक्चर अच्छे से समझ में आ जाए। तो फ्रेंड्स, इफ़ यू लाइक दिस वीडियो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब माई चैनल। थैंक यू।